Last movement in this set is from a movement called Eagle Grasp as Prey. It has arm movements as well. I'm just going to show you the legs. I'll show that in a different video with the whole movement. Tai Chi walking is very popular right now. This is similar to that. Okay. Okay, so you're in your Wuji posture here, in your human position here. So my right leg, it's going to turn outward here. Okay. Then I'm going to go into a triangle pose. So this leg's going to come in. It's going to come right here. So I'm kind of basically here, like in a triangle, forming a triangle. What do you do with your arms? Could be at your side if you want to, but I'm just going to put them here right now, okay? And I'm just going to step into a lunge, okay? A gentle lunge. You don't have to do a deep, deep lunge here. And so this leg is forward, and my back leg, it's going to come in line as well. Okay, so now you're in a nice, gentle lunge here. And you can kind of hold this for a couple breaths if you want. Okay, now I'm going to be stepping forward as I go up and do the other side. So you step through the lunge, go forward, okay, into your triangle pose or T pose here, okay. So I'm looking out in this direction now, okay. Now I'm going to step forward into a lunge, and my back leg is going to come in line here. Now you can hold the step if you want to, okay. Now this, you could actually just keep going forward. And so we're going to do this just 1 or 2 times going forward just to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to step through, triangle pose, step forward, bring it in, step through the lunge, come. In another video, I'll add in the arm movements, okay? But this is more about just warming up the legs. And you know, this is not quite as of I would say complicated as Tai Chi walking, but it's similar, okay. Okay, so say you didn't have a lot of room, okay? You didn't have a lot of room with what you're doing here, so I'll go back and I'll show you. Okay. Space to walk in like I do here in this big field I'm in. So you're doing this triangle pose and you're in your office space or things like that, or your home, living room. And so you'd kind of go in to turn your leg, go into your triangle pose, step out, and you're here, okay? And you bring it in here, make it more of a formal lunge if you want to. You hold it for however long as you want to. Okay, and then if you want to get the back, you just kind of turn like this. Kind of going back, doing that if you like. Just getting a little gentle lunge here. Okay. Just check in with your body after you've done those leg exercises. If you're feeling a little too vigorous, you can just kind of kick it out, shake it off. You can always do some pulling down the skies to reset yourself, or some deep earth pulsing. I'll put a link to the deep earth pulsing. I have a video about that. That's a good warm-up also for the ankles, knees, and hips, but I'll put a link in the description for that or in the video itself. Okay. But the point down the sky is you kind of salute the earth, salute the sky, salute yourself, salute the earth, sky, bring it through you, feel the coolness of the earth, the warmth of the sun, bring it through you. Breathe in as your hands go up, exhale as your hands go down, and just a couple more. Breathing in, out, breathing in, out, last one. Your hands towards your belly, hold for a couple breaths. Hands closer. Okay. Thank you. Please remember to like and subscribe.